and welcome to the StoreMagic how-to video series. Here at StoreMagic, we're producing some training videos for our customers and partners to show how to do certain things in the setup and configuration and general operations of our software products. Those software products being SvSAN, our virtual SAN solution, SvKMS, our key management server for encryption workflows, and ArcVault, our video management surveillance solution. My name is Steve Bettison. I'm a technical pre-sales engineer at StoreMagic. Today we are going to continue our series with SvSAN, and this video we're going to show you how to deploy the HTML5 plugin in vCenter, and also including the witness as well during that installation. So once we've got the plugin into our vCenter, from there we can then deploy our VSAs. So we're going to be working within VMware, the SvSAN, and we're going to be showing you how to deploy that HTML5 plugin, including the witness. So let's jump out of the slides. And so familiar viewing here, I have my vCenter. I have two ESXi hosts. I've actually got two VSAs already deployed out, of which I did those via the OVA deployment. So you can see here, if I had the plugin installed, it resides under the data center level here under configure. We would see a StoreMagic plugin here. So we don't have the plugin installed. So this is what we're going to do today in this video, is to deploy out the StoreMagic plugin. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to SSH onto our vCenter. So we have IP address there, let's use that, 10.10.192.11, and we'll open that. Log in as root, password in here, and we are going to, what we're going to do is copy the plugin into the temp directory. So just have a quick look in there. There's nothing in there. Our plugin isn't in there at the moment. So what we're going to do is use third-party product called WinNCP. I've got it here. So I'm going to open up WinNCP. Log in here. 10.10.192.11. Continue. I'm going to copy that and just move it into temp directory. So just chuck it in there. There's our StoreMagic plugin there on the temp directory, 62 update 5 P3. So what we can come back into our party session, and there we have the StoreMagic plugin. Now that's, because it's green, it's executable. If this file, when you're copying it over, will be blue, it's already been copied over before. In this lab, we just copied it from the root into this temp directory. You would just apply a chmod 777 on that file. So now we're in here, we can deploy out the plugin. So and obviously as well include the witness during that deployment. So to do that, it's simply tab here, should find the file. So /StoreMagic the plugin, it's -- install base username, so this is administrator, So vSphere local. If you put a dash, you can then, it'll then prompt you for the password. I'm just going to put the password in. And then I'm going to put dash dash, include dash, and then the witness. So this is going to deploy out the plugin and also to our vCenter, and also install the witness as a service on the vCenter as well. So we're going to hit return there. So this is working through the installation. Take a few minutes to run through. There we go, it looks like it's completed. So if I minimize these two windows, come back in and do a refresh, and it says here already, up here, plugins deployed, plugin StoreMagic, and the version has been successfully deployed. Refresh the browser. If we refresh the browser, you can see now we now have the StoreMagic plugin now deployed out onto vCenter. So there we go. So in summary, what we've done, we've copied a file over to our vCenter. It was actually on the root directory. I just moved it into the temp directory. And then from a PuTTY session, we've just run that command to install the plugin, and we've included the witness as well. Now, on one of the VSAs I have here, so two VSAs here, I've got a target, I've got VSA 1 up here. If I wanted to go and change that target and have a different witness for it, I can come in here onto the target, test target, and go edit. And at the moment, we've got SvSAN as the witness here. But if I want to change that now to the vCSA StoreMagic lab.int, which is what our vCenter is, I can do that and click apply. And if I come back into my targets now, I now have my vCenter as my witness, as we've just installed the witness on the vCenter. I can now use it for this target here. So I hope that's been useful. I hope to see you on future videos. Thank you very much.